Let's play! Hello, friends! It's me, Alex. Are you ready for a new adventure? That's great! Today we're going to do something super fun. We're going to learn together. But first, before we start, I have something very important to tell you. If you like playing with me and learning new things, tell your parents to subscribe to the channel. It's very easy, you just have to click the red button. That way you won't miss any of our games. Yay! We'll have more friends to play with. Pato, Ellie, Payarotto are also very excited. We love it when you come to play with us. Subscribing is like having a magic pass to all our adventures. Every time we upload a new video, you'll be the first to know. We can dance, sing, discover colors, shapes, and today we'll learn new words. Let's go, friends, adventure calls. All right, explorers. Our first mission is to understand what a house is. A house is a very special place. It's where we live with our family. It's where we sleep, eat, and play a lot. Houses keep us safe from the cold and from the rain. They're like a big, warm hug. All houses are different. Some are big, others are small. Some are one color and others are many colors, like my world. But all of them are homes full of love. Inside a house, there are different spaces. We call these spaces rooms. Yes, rooms. It's a bit of a long word, isn't it? Repeat after me. Rooms. Our first stop is the kitchen. It always smells so good in here. The kitchen is where food is made. All that yummy food gives us energy to play and play. There are so many interesting things in the kitchen. For example, do you see that big cold box? It's called a fridge. Fridge. Inside the fridge, we keep milk, yogurt, fruits, and vegetables. It's like a cold little house for food. Now look over there. That's a table. Table. We sit at the table to eat. We put plates, glasses, and silverware on it. Sometimes we also draw or do crafts at the kitchen table. It's a place for families to share. And what do we use to sit at the table? That's right, we use a chair. Now let's go to the living room! Yay! The living room is also called the family room. It's a super fun place. This is where the family gets together to talk, to read stories, or to watch cartoons on TV. I love lying on the rug and playing with my blocks. The living room is the heart of the home, a place full of laughter and games. Look around you. What things do you see in the living room? Let's learn their names right now. The biggest and most comfy thing in the living room is the sofa. Sofa. Repeat after me. Sofa. The sofa is soft and we can sit or lie down on it. And now, look at that magic screen. It's the television. Televisión. On the living room floor, there's often a rug. Rug. Splash, splash! We've made it to the bathroom. The bathroom is a very, very important room. This is where we get pretty and clean. After playing in the mud with Duck, I always need a good shower. In the bathroom, we wash our hands, our teeth, and our whole body. It's the place to take care of ourselves and stay healthy. Let's see what objects we can find here. Get your noses ready to smell the soap. It smells so good. The first thing we see is the sink. Sink. On the sink, there's a faucet. Faucet. When we turn on the faucet, water comes out, cold or warm. At the sink, we wash our hands with water and soap. Soap. Soap makes lots of bubbles and foam. It's so much fun. After we wash, what do we dry ourselves with? A towel. Towel. Shh. We've come to a very quiet place. It's the bedroom. The bedroom is our room, our little world. It's where we rest at night to have lots of energy the next day. Here we keep our most precious treasures, our toys, our storybooks, our drawings. It's a safe and cozy place where we can be calm and dream of amazing adventures. Let's discover the objects in the bedroom. The most important piece of furniture in the bedroom is, of course, the bed. Bed. What a beautiful and soft word. The bed is where we sleep. It has a soft mattress so we can be comfy. On top of the mattress, we put a sheet. Sheet. And so we don't get cold at night, we cover ourselves with a blanket. Blanket. In the bedroom, we also keep our clothes. In a closet. And look, the window. Window. Let's go outside. Some houses have a garden, or a patio, or a balcony. The garden is a little piece of nature right next to our house. I love the garden. It's where I can run, play ball with Duck, smell the flowers with Ellie. It's a place full of life with green grass, plants, and sometimes even a big tree. The fresh air in the garden is wonderful. Flowers grow in the garden. Flowers. Look how pretty. There are red, yellow, pink flowers, all kinds of colors. Also in the garden there is grass. Grass. And to play, what can we have in the garden? A ball. Ball. I love chasing the ball. We can throw it, kick it, or bounce it. Wow, explorers, you all did great. We learned so many new words today. I am so proud of you. But so we don't forget them, we have to practice. Yes, the best game of all is to practice in our own home. It's a super special mission I'm going to give you. Do you accept the mission? I knew it. You are the best explorers in the world and you are ready for any challenge. When you walk around the house with mom or dad, you can play by pointing at things and saying their names. For example, if you go into the kitchen, you can point to the table and say, "Table," and then point to a chair and say, "Chair." You'll see how happy your parents get when they see all you've learned. You can do it like an I Spy game. Dad can say, "I spy with my little eye something you sleep on." And you run to the bed and shout, "The bed!" Let's do a quick review. In the kitchen, refrigerator, table, chair, plate, glass, spoon. In the living room, sofa, television, rug, lamp. In the bathroom, sink, soap, towel, toothbrush. In the bedroom, bed, pillow, wardrobe, window. In the garden, flowers, grass, trees, ball. You've learned a lot of words. More than 20. Don't forget to subscribe for more adventures. Goodbye, friends. See you soon.